That's incredible, man. Right. And these are young Africans.
Yes.
And people, welcome to Naija Daughter TV. If today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. Yes, before me talk my own, let's watch Wodemaya when he traveled to Africa. Waiting with God to talk about that. Africa unite. Africa unite. Let's come together.
As you all know,
by coming together, that's how we'll move our Africa forward. But I say this one are Ghana, this one are Nigeria, this one are Senegal, this one are Ivory Coast, this one are Cote d'Ivoire, this one are... We will never move forward. Let's watch before I talk later. I want to talk.
And that's of genuine Africa.
You're ready.
And the world at large.
Wodemaya mom never seen Wodemaya drive before, and Wodemaya never drive her mom. Her mom before. This one are the first time where Wodemaya they drive his mom. Yes. Let's watch. Then when they drive, because they tell his son's story. His son don't talk the story for live stream. Because they tell his son's story, how her husband take carry she go hotel. Maybe not they listen to and though na language that they speak for that, but they write down with writing. Say why you carry me come? They say children they ask. Children like Wodemaya. They ask. Okay, when he say her husband buy her yogurt first time, you know all those things. Yes. My main purpose of me filming this video today, all those things they inside that one video, is about whether Ivory Coast and Cameroon and West Africa people who come together to make something. Let me watch that part.
Yes, big fan. I think I've made it to life. The way people watch my videos these days.
Yeah, maybe go friends follow back.
Really? Are you based in Ivory Coast?
Yeah.
Are you from here?
No, I'm from Cameroon.
Wow. Then I hope you're not mad that I've not been to Cameroon yet. You know, when I came to Ivory Coast, a lot of people were mad the fact that I've never been here. Yeah. And I got here and the Cameroonians are saying that now that you've been to Ivory Coast, the next country needs to be Cameroon.
Just so you know, the Cameroonians and Ivorians are good friends. They always fighting. You know those two friends are always fighting?
It's just like Ghana and Nigeria.
Just like Ghana and Nigeria.
But when I come, Ghana and Nigeria, why not always they fight? Why? We be one. Yes, what did this guy talk? It really makes sense. He said two friends, two countries. They always they fight and they still be friends. Who? Ghana and Nigeria. Sometimes, whether now because of they speak brokers and they talk now, Ghana go understand what they talk. Whether now they cause about some part of for Cameroon when in Nigeria, we they speak the same broken together. Those bass, you know they why? Sometimes I they ask myself why. I mean those things where our forefathers do. With this modern, that is with this new generation, may we stop? Na so na pursue my papa, na so na pursue my mama, na so Ghana, Nigeria pursue Ghana come on from Nigeria, na so Ghana pursue Nigeria out of Ghana. Let's stop. We are one Africa. I know other minds are they talk. Some people will still say na lie. Make Nigeria they on their own. Nigeria not they feed Ghana. Ghana not they feed Nigeria. Between Nigeria and Nigeria, nobody they feed each other. We feed ourselves. Now look politicians they do their things well. Why we the individual they fight ourselves? You go see President Buhari now go Ghana. You see they go take shake, they laugh, they do. Now no see those hate. Why we the individual when they struggle, when they pass through a lot for the country, for the continents when we come out. Our leaders they say they do us. We'll see they fight ourselves. Not really make sense for me. Not really make sense at all. Let's talk. Let's unite as one. No matter what, let's unite. God already gave you that color as a black. You are black. No matter, they just put some. I'm not listening to this part. They just put down as they say, francophone, anglophone, Ghana, Nigeria. We are one. It's time for us to wake up. We are one. Let's watch those people.
So I got a gift again from Coco Planet.
Right.
Chaco. You know who I'm gonna give this to? You know my mom.
Yeah, I've seen lots of videos with your mom.
Yeah, you know the channel is for my mom.
Okay.
So Wodemaya means my mom.
Yes.
So every good thing has to go to her.
Okay.
So this product, thanks for giving it to me, but you gave it to Wodemaya, right?
Right.
Which is my mom.
Yes.
So I'm gonna give this to my mom. So
yeah.
I'll show the video while giving your gift to my mom.
Absolutely.
So I want on behalf of my mom.
Do some good grill with it.
On behalf of my mom, thank you. But you all need to check it out. I mean, the video won't be out. The video is not out yet. I'll release this video before the main video. Okay. So this is Coco Planet. Can you guys talk about yourself a bit? Different from that video, sorry. Go for it.
Okay.
Yes, it's how you start.
Yeah.
Ladies first.
I'm the CEO of Coco Planet. Apart from that, I study finance,
Yes.
financial management. I've gotten my master's in financial management. And so that led me to best manage Cocoa Planet.
Yeah. What is Cocoa Planet all about?
Cocoa Planet is about access to energy. It's about Africa. It's about empowering Africans. It's about leveraging African resources. That's how I can summarize it.
What do you do at Cocoa Planet?
Oh, my name is Harold. I'm the COO of Cocoa Planet, and my background is mining engineering. I've been working for international companies for the last 10 years, and I'm really excited to join this adventure because I know I can have an impact on Africa, and that's what matters for me.
The impact on Africa is what we all are talking about. Let me tell you what these guys have done. They converted a coconut husk into what?
Charcoal.
Clean burning barbecue charcoal.
Yes,
So we do everything for shisha, for barbecue, for everything.
So Auntie Maggie has a barbecue
Incense,
charcoal now, man. That's incredible, man. And these are young Africans.
Yes.
And believe me, one of them is Ivorian. And on the internet, the Ivorians and Cameroonians are always fighting. Do you guys fight sometimes?
All the time.
We only fight over a chicken.
Yeah, I want to say.
When he comes to my house, he tries to finish the ndole. When he cooks a chicken, he tries not to invite me, so I just appear.
How much comes over?
I think this is a beautiful thing, seeing Africans working together.
Right, exactly. I think this is how we should be. Like I said earlier, we are just a massive village that has been divided into so-called countries and tribes. But we are just a massive family, and that's how we should be. We should collaborate. It doesn't matter if you're from Cameroon, from Ivory Coast, from Ghana, from Nigeria, or from South Africa. Whether you're brown skin, black skin, blue-eyed African, you're just an African. That's what you are.
Enough of the francophone and the anglophone.
Yes.
Enough
Enough of that nonsense.
Enough of that.
You are an African.
You're an African. You're an African.
And let me tell you something that will shock you all. When they wanted to set up their factory, a young man from Ghana that I've interviewed before came here and set it up for them for free.
For free. We didn't pay, a single dime. We offered him a little envelope. He said, "No, brother, I didn't come here for work. I came here to help." He said, when I come for work, I will charge you. I came to help. He's a straight up guy. Straight up guy.
And I love the fact that when I met Amin, I didn't even charge Amin $1.
Yes.
And Amin did this for you guys without charging you guys $1.
$1.
And I'm here and I never charge $1.
Yes, people need to know this. When people watch your videos and they see the impact, they think people pay a lot. So I really want to make it clear for the audience, we didn't pay anything at all. This is free.
So you guys, it's about time you all come and support them, because Africans need each other.
Correct.
And that's what I'm doing this. So you guys, thank you so much. I have to hurry up because
Until now here, Wodemaya help a guy by maybe announce her business, maybe contribute for free. Then when they want set up their own for Africans, they invite this guy to help them. Then this guy not take shishi. Why? Now because of the love when Wodemaya showed to him. Because when Wodemaya want support him, he not take shishi. Then this guy still do the same thing. You see how love they spread. But some people you will do for them, but they will still keep on collecting. Now their job. Some people are like that. Some people don't even know say whether you help them or you don't help them. You understand? Whether they try to talk is whether this our brother they read they preach about Africa unite. It's really touched a lot of people. Look, this Cameroon and this Ivory Coast guy now come together, start up a company. Now they are doing well. Now our brother go there, he go showcase them for his platform of 1 something million going to 2 million. What will they talk about? When you they use your platform, they preach good, love, unity, it go get to some people, and some people go pick some things inside. By hating ourselves, this one and Nigeria, this one and this one and it don't make sense. Let's come together. When we come together, we go do something where we go change our continent. Not only leaders, not only politicians. We the citizens of that continent, we need to play good role. That is the role when this our brother Wodemaya. They travel, they preach love, they preach the best, they showcase the best part in Africa to the world. So many people when they are abroad, they say Africa not just dark. No, this our brother stand to open many of our Africa's eyes. Say Africa not being how they paint us. There is good people. There is a good place where you will feel live. Please, my main purpose of doing this video is stop hate. If you see the Africa person, see they preach hate. This one are Nigeria. This one are Cameroon. This one are Ivory Coast. This one are Ghana. We are one black. I remember no one enter history when they say those days from my own state Edo. Now they get. You feel trade go Ghana. Now go me I not go that side. Many people not talk. Me I not go that side. But some people go agree, some people don't agree. Waiting I really want. Let's come together. And if you they stay Ivory Coast, Or maybe this company not in Nigeria. Maybe they find how you take the import, they come, they sell. Contact them, okay? Contact these people from Africa. I believe that when they deliver for you, then what they sell your own. Let's come together and make business together so that our economy will start to be good. Those Europeans, look, if it get one time when Spain really can't go down, Greece, Europe, Germany and France and other Europe, they come together and give them, load their money, make them take stand with them. They always do them like that. If our African can unite like that and start those things, I believe that many of us when they travel out of our continent will not be traveling. Because if not be so, Spain, Italy, not be say they use and tell me story. Many of them when they enter this France, I could see a lot of the buses when they give them money again. You know they see them, all of them don't go back to their country, but no place like home. Let's stop hate. Let this preach when our brother Wodemaya they preach say Africa, may we come together. Although our prophet TV, my prophet TV, I mean so rest in peace. This is what he preached to me. That I believe in music with the play for the background. Africa unite. We need each other. We need one another to grow. Africa unite. You can't do it alone. Me, I can't do it alone. This social media when we do so, this youth when we do so. Some people they when I go meet a Cameroonian sister or a Cameroonian brother, then we do collab. One way or the other, you go fit help me. You fit push my video. You fit push your own video. Let's stop the hate. If you need anything when you know say okay, this Naija daughter they do, you don't know her, you fit contact me. Why not? I will teach you. If you see say I no get to you early, you know say I get it. Then when I dey lesbian, I will get back to you. Your success and my success not be the same. Now one thing we need to get. Africa always full of if I teach this person now, nobody gets my own. No. Your blessing and my blessing not be the same. This is when they talk now. A lot of people don't talk and go they see their view. Me talk how many views I will get. Another person get how many views. You know, every your destiny is totally different. Just know that. If God say not be YouTube for you, no matter how you strong, will not be YouTube. If God say now YouTube for you, now small you make me. Sometimes God will give you time to learn before He will blast you. Let's do our things. Let your space continue. Let your things enter your eye. Because many of us, our things not enter our eye. That make it. We dey jealous. This person don't. No. Let the little things when God bless you with it. Let it fool your eye. My brother Wodemaya, more love. As to show mercy, love. Your children will show you love. Love will never dry in your side. I love when I see both of you. I carry mercy go outside, go buy, do shopping for our house. In fact, inside car full. I still talk about your daddy. Though me not to get father gave me. They are so resting. Peace, yes. Thank you all my wonderful people. If you be thinking Wodemaya jam this my video, please, I stand for love and I stand for hate. Okay? If you never joined this beautiful family, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you never subscribe, and if you never watched that video from Wodemaya channel, please head to his channel, go watch him. Watch him from the beginning to the end. Watch the ad also. Yes, those are the helpful. Okay? Watch the ad so that when you enjoy the ad. So the advert they sweet sometimes you fit buy anything for them, if you do anything for them. Okay, now this one get to talk. Okay, I still now in my next video, not fail to give me this thumbs up. This thumbs up. Thumbs up. Africa and Cameroon they come together as one Africa to make impact. To make impact. Africa and Cameroon come together to make impact.